Imagine a classroom unlike any other. Students are not confined to desks or textbooks. Instead, they explore vibrant, interactive worlds powered by artificial intelligence. These AI-generated learning environments adapt to individual needs and learning styles. They provide personalized challenges, instant feedback, and endless opportunities for exploration. This is the exciting potential of AI in education. It promises to revolutionize how we learn, offering customized pathways for every student. However, this new frontier also presents unique challenges. How do we measure progress in a world where learning is so individualized and dynamic? Traditional methods of assessment, designed for a one-size-fits-all system, struggle to capture the nuances of these personalized learning journeys. We need new tools and approaches to effectively gauge student understanding in these evolving digital landscapes. The future of education demands a fundamental shift in how we think about assessment. Standardized tests have long been the go-to measure of academic achievement, yet, in the context of AI-powered learning, their limitations become glaringly apparent. These tests often emphasize rote memorization and narrow skill sets. They fail to capture the creativity, critical thinking, and problem-solving abilities that are essential for success in the 21st century. Moreover, standardized tests cannot keep pace with the dynamic nature of AI-generated learning environments. These environments constantly adapt to student responses, providing personalized challenges and feedback. A static snapshot provided by a standardized test cannot reflect the fluidity of this learning process. The very nature of AI-powered education demands a more nuanced and individualized approach to assessment. We need tools that can track progress in real time, measure a broader range of skills, and provide meaningful insights into individual learning journeys. Fortunately, new assessment approaches are emerging that are better suited to the dynamic nature of AI-driven learning. Competency-based assessments, for example, focus on mastery of specific skills rather than standardized test scores. These assessments allow students to progress at their own pace, demonstrating understanding through real-world projects and applications. Advanced learning analytics also play a crucial role. By analyzing vast amounts of data generated by student interactions within AI-powered environments, educators can gain unprecedented insights into individual learning patterns, strengths, and areas for growth. Personalized benchmarks and adaptive difficulty scaling further enhance the assessment process. Instead of comparing students to a single standard, AI can tailor learning pathways and assessment criteria to individual needs and goals. Visual skill trees provide students with a clear roadmap of their progress, fostering a sense of ownership and motivation. AI is not just transforming the learning experience, it is also revolutionizing how we understand the learning process itself. By analyzing the vast amounts of data generated within AI-powered learning environments, researchers can gain unprecedented insights into how students learn best. These insights can be used to refine pedagogical approaches, personalize instruction, and develop more effective learning tools. AI can identify patterns and predict student needs, allowing educators to intervene proactively and provide targeted support. However, it is crucial to remember that AI is a tool, not a replacement for human educators. The human element in education remains essential. Teachers provide guidance, mentorship, and emotional support that are crucial for fostering a love of learning and a sense of belonging. In this final chapter, we delve into the responsible use of AI in education. It's crucial to ensure information security, with encryption at rest and in transit, to protect sensitive personal data from exploitation. Adherence to regulatory requirements like GDPR and the EU AI Act is paramount to maintain trust and integrity in AI systems. By prioritizing these aspects, we can harness the power of AI while safeguarding the privacy and rights of individuals. As we continue to integrate AI into educational environments, it's essential to maintain a balance between innovation and ethical responsibility. Educators, policymakers, and technology developers must collaborate to create AI systems that are not only effective but also transparent and accountable. By doing so, we can build a future where AI enhances education while upholding the values of privacy, security, and human dignity. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the evolving landscape of education powered by AI. Together we can shape a brighter, more inclusive future for learners everywhere.